for number 9 on the review, you want to look at how can I change the left side to look like the right. So if you look at this here, you can identify that 1 plus cotangent squared of x is an identity, and it equals cosecant squared of x. So I'm going to replace 1 plus cotangent squared of x with cosecant squared of x over cosine of x. Now that helps us get our cosecant squared of x. We also need to get secant of x. Well, we already know that if I rewrite this, you can better see it. 1 over cosine is secant, so I can change this to secant of x, cosecant squared of x.